Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. My name is Jigna Damani and I'm going to teach you the topic of fruits today. We have already studied the topic of fruits. So today we are going to revise the topic. Fruits. See, you can see many fruits here. Apple, watermelon, orange, strawberry, grapes, cherry, mango, banana, pomegranate, papaya, kiwi. There are so many fruits over here. So come, let's start with the fruits what we have studied. The fruit what first we are going to study is mango. Mango is the king of the fruits. Mango is the king of the fruits. In mango we get ripe mango and raw mango. The raw mango is green in color. We make pickle, we make syrup out of the raw mango. The ripe mango is also used for making juices. The amras, the famous amras we eat, that is also made from the mango. And mango we get only in summer season. Mango is a fleshy fruit and it has only one seed. When you cut the mango, it has only one seed. So this is mango, the king of the fruits. Next we have is apple. Here you can see there are two colors of the apple. The red apple and the green apple. You can see? Yes, apples you get in two colors, red and green. There are other color apples also, but it is very rare in the market. You get red apples, fresh red apples during the winter season. And apple from outside, the apple is red in color. But when you cut the apple, it is white in color, off-white in color. And it has few seeds. Like mango has one seed, apple has few seeds. And the taste of the apple is also very sweet. And it is sometimes the apples are fleshy and sometimes the apples are juicy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away is the famous saying of the fruit. अगर आप एप्पल रोज खाओगे, एप्पल इज सो हेल्दी कि अगर आप उसको रोज खाओगे तो आप कभी बीमार नहीं पड़ोगे. Yes, apple is the best friend for the sick people. Apple. Next is bananas. Oh my god, you can see there are so many bananas in the picture. Yes, there are some more coming, see. Bananas. So bananas, there are so many bananas. You can see here, apple and mango, they grow on the trees. But banana, they grow on big plant. And they have big leaves. And banana you get in a bunch. You can see this bunch over here. There is this knot here and there are lots and lots of bananas here. They are joined together. And bananas also you get in different colors. Yellow banana, this is which is sweet in taste. You get green banana which is raw, जो कच्चा होता है, which is used to make cutlets. And the main use for raw banana is making wafers. We eat wafers, yummy wafers, banana wafers are very tasty. So the raw bananas are used to make wafers. Banana, we remove the skin of the banana and then we eat the banana. And banana is used to make milkshakes, thick shakes. But banana का juice नहीं बनता. Banana is a fleshy fruit. Mango and apple, like them, banana is also a fleshy fruit. Now next is grapes. Like banana, even the grapes are a bunch fruit. Grapes भी हमेशा bunch में मिलते हैं. You can see there are three colors of the grapes in the picture. Green grapes, black grapes and red grapes. Mango had one seed. Apple had few seeds. Banana, they don't have any seeds. Same way, even the grapes, they do not have any seeds. But these red grapes, they have 1 or 2 seeds inside them. And apple and mango, they grow on trees. Banana, they grow on big plants. But this grape, they grow on the climbers. And these grapes were the place, the farm is called vineyard. And grapes are very small, tiny fruit. Mango and apple, they are bigger than the grapes. And grapes is a juicy fruit. So after the grapes, we are going to study watermelon. Watermelon is a big fruit. Like apple, mango, they grow on trees. Watermelon tree pe nahi ugta. It grows on the creepers. Outside, the watermelon is green in color. But when you cut the watermelon, from inside, it is bright red in color. And the watermelon is a juicy fruit. Not like mango. Mango to fleshy hai. Uska ras kitna, when we remove the juice of the mango, the ras, aam ras, it is very thick. But जब भी आप watermelon का juice निकालोगे, it is not thick. It is thin like watery. It is watery juice. So watermelon is a juicy fruit. And it grows on the creepers. You can see in the picture over here. It grows on the creepers. It grows on the ground. Because वो इतना heavy है. अगर सोचो God ने उसको tree पे उगाया और ऊपर से गिरा तो फिर वो तो टूट जाएगा. Yes or no? Nobody would able to eat the watermelons then. And अगर किसी के सर के ऊपर गिरा, then they'll get hurt. इसीलिए God has made watermelon to grow on the creepers. Watermelon grows on the creepers, and when you cut the watermelon, it is very juicy. But you know, it has many seeds, many black color seeds. And the seeds are also used as mouth fresheners. So this was watermelon. Now next comes papaya. Papaya is also very healthy. The raw papaya, which is green in color, are used for salad, for pickles. So, and this yellow ripe papaya, they are consumed as a fruit. And same like watermelon, papaya has many seeds. You can see in the picture. Yes, it has many seeds. And papaya is very sweet in taste. And it is a fleshy fruit. Watermelon was a juicy fruit. Papaya is a fleshy fruit. And it has many seeds. So this is papaya. Now next comes orange. Orange, I don't have the orange puppet. But orange is orange in color. See, सबका color बोला. Watermelon was green, papaya was yellow, orange. Grapes also 3 colors. So orange का color क्या है? Oranges are orange in color. And when you remove the peel of the orange, there are many slices inside. And in the slices, there are few seeds. हर एक slice में 1 or 2 seeds होते हैं. Mango has 1 seed. Apple had few seeds. Papaya and watermelon, they had many seeds. But orange also has few seeds only. And the seeds are white in color. And watermelon is a juicy fruit. Same way, orange is also a juicy fruit. And orange का friend कौन है? Sweet lime. I have the puppet of sweet lime. See. Sweet lime, they are light yellow green in color. And they are also sliced fruit. And वो भी juicy fruit है. Same like orange, आप उसका skin निकालोगे तो उसमें से भी बहुत सारे slices आएंगे. And each slice has white color, 1 or 2 seeds. And when you mix orange and sweet lime and make their juice, it is very tasty and very healthy. If you drink orange and sweet lime juice, you get a lot of energy to do different work. So that is the sweet lime for you. Next is pineapple. Watermelon was a big fruit. Papaya was a big fruit. Now pineapple. Even the pineapple is a very very big fruit. As compared to grapes and orange and sweet lime, it is a big fruit. बहुत बड़ा नहीं है. It is bigger than that. And when you touch the pineapple, the skin of the pineapple is very pricky and thorny. आप उसको टच करोगे तो आपको वो कांटे वाला फीलिंग आएगा. And we remove the skin of the pineapple and we consume it. And the taste of the pineapple is very sweet and sour in taste. Pineapples are sweet and sour in taste. And pineapples are also very healthy. From outside, the skin color is like brown and orange in color. But when you cut it, it is light yellow. And it is very, very tasty. We make juice, we make candies out of pineapple, we make pineapple ice cream. There are lots and lots of things which we can make from pineapple. Next is pomegranate, but before that teacher forgot to show you the puppet of the pineapple. See, the pineapple puppet. Next is pomegranate. Pomegranate also has many seeds, but watermelon, papaya, उनके seeds भी बहुत सारे हैं. But we throw away the seeds of watermelon and papaya. हम लोग उसको खाते नहीं हैं. But pomegranate, ये सब उनके seeds है. You can see all of these are pomegranate seeds only. But we eat the seeds of the pomegranate. And pomegranate is very, very healthy for our body. If we eat the pomegranate daily, we will not get any stomach upset. Pomegranates are dark pink or light pink in color. And उसको cut करना बहुत difficult है. When you cut, no, उसके seeds में से all the juice comes out. So you have to cut the pomegranate very, very carefully. And pomegranates are very, very juicy. आप उसका juice भी निकाल के पी सकते हो. It is very good for your health. Next is strawberry. Strawberry is a small fruit. Grapes से थोड़ा बड़ा, but apple mango से थोड़ा छोटा. Yes, strawberries are bright red in color and it has a green color leaf crown on it. And you can see this is yellow. There are lots of yellow dots on it. They are the seeds of the strawberry. आप ये निकाल के उसको mud में डालोगे तो you will get a strawberry plant over there. But strawberries कहाँ पे grow होते हैं? Where there is lot of cold climate, जहाँ पे बहुत ठंडी होती है. Like mangoes you get in summer season. Strawberries you get in winter season, जो भी बहुत ठंडी होती है. And strawberries, they do not have any seeds. Mango has one seed. Strawberries, they do not have any seeds. And strawberry is a fleshy fruit. So next is jamun. Jamun, they are black in color from outside. It has one seed. But when you eat the jamun, your tongue becomes purple in color. And it is very good for your health. Jamun you get in rainy season. The beginning of rainy season. The next is cherry, my favorite. Cherries are very, very small fruit like grapes. And that also you get in a bunch. आप उसको box में ले सकते हो. And they are bright red in color with only one seed. They are nice, juicy and they are very, very small fruit. Cherries. So now we'll study what things we make from the fruits. So the first slide is ice creams. You can see there are lots and lots of ice creams on my screen. So all these ice creams are made from different fruits and different combination of fruits. There are mango ice creams, there are fig ice cream, pineapple ice cream, strawberry ice cream, apple ice cream, raspberry. Oh my god, they're so tasty. Yes or no? So all these ice creams are also made from different fruits. Next we have jam and jelly. Yes, jams we apply on bread or roti. So jam is also made from different fruits. Even the jelly is made from strawberry. You get mango jelly, strawberry jelly also, pineapple jelly, and jelly is very fluffy. Move करती है बहुत, but it is very yummy and tasty. Next is, oh my god, there are so yummy dishes on my slide. There is a cake, but that is a fruit cake. Then we make fruit chaat, we make fruit custard. Yes, there are lots of things which we can make from different fruits, and all these fruits are so colorful and they are very, very healthy for your body. Then there are juices and milkshakes which are made from the fruits, and these juices are very, very healthy. Then we make soaps and shampoos and candies and popsicle ice creams from the fruits. Now this is your home assignment. 7th of October, Wednesday. You are going to write down all the names of the fruits given on the slide. आपने ये और पहले एक बार लिखा हुआ है, आप उसको repeat करेंगे. You are going to repeat the assignment but with a different date. And you are going to draw the fruits, or you can stick the pictures also. And this is first page of your home assignment. Second page of your home assignment, on the same date, 7th of October, you are going to write down the things which are made from fruits. You can stick pictures or you can draw them. It is up to you. So you are going to do the home assignment. Both the pages, do it nicely. Nice handwriting. Click the photos and send it to me. So thank you, my dear children. Miss you all. Stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.